Usually I start my days with black coffee. Most of the people already know who've been following me from long back. And on Saturdays and Sundays I prefer drinking coffee with milk. That was sitting peacefully. So usually while I have my coffee in the morning, I usually read 10 minutes of reading per day. I do that. So currently I'm reading this. Previously I started another book called as The Mind of Strategies. I might have shown in the previous vlog, but I didn't feel that much interesting because that was more into manufacturing firms and the strategies of those companies of Japanese technology companies, something like that. I didn't felt that connected to that industry. So this particular one, The Immutable Laws of Marketing, fuck, this is the best marketing book I've ever read. Usually why I recommending this and why I talking about this particular book. Usually we rather than theories, we actually like to listen to more examples, because we can actually observe a lot from those and learn a lot from those examples. So in this book, for every law, there are like multiple companies marketing strategies and how they implemented it, how it reflected the other company, and all the examples were given in this. For each law there are 4 to 5 examples. So that is the reason why I'm recommending this, and it's a must read for all the entrepreneurs or whoever in the business industry. That's what. Now it's getting late, so I'll have to get ready now. We have an event to attend today. The company organizing an event for the employees, like a yearly celebration, something like that. So what is up, guys? I hope you all having great, wonderful day. Welcome to our vlog. When getting ready doesn't take much of a time until or unless you are vlogging, making a video and doing it in front of that. And most of my subscribers already know what kind of colors I prefer. Usually I'll be on black or ash or grey. And the dress code for the event is mentioned as semi-formal, so smart casual. So smart casuals, and I'm definitely not wearing it because I recently been to a tourism event and I wore the same. And like this goes. Yeah, simple sir. Smart casuals is nothing but you can only wear polos. You cannot wear round neck t-shirts or something like that. You can only wear polo. And then simple sir jacket. Does it look like a uniform with the same color combination? No, it doesn't. Nature, black goes on everything basically. This goes, I guess, kind of handbag, not for makeup stuff and all, but of course for my gadgets, just vlogger things. I need something to keep all this stuff.
Yeah, boy.
Just kidding. One more phone, which I'm recording now. So let's go. Already started. Just logged out. Time is around 11:40. Let's head to the venue. We'll talk about the venue and everything while driving. As usual, always late. DK subscribers know it. See why fuck I'm telling again people of old subscribers know. See, basically myself, I was actually vlogging in Telugu and English, mixed language. Now it's like I'm reintroducing myself in English. Basically, I'm gonna do vlogs in English only in coming vlogs, and coming future I'm gonna make vlogs in English only. That's gonna be one language because it's so confusing. I'm mixing up Telugu, English, Hindi and all. So it's basically make one audience, and you can target at least one language speaking audience. That's what I was thinking. And, coming to the venue, I already started it now. It's been like 10 minutes. Bangalore, the traffic always sucks even though it's on weekends. Venue, I was not 100% sure till now because I know the property name is Royal Orchid, but just now I confirmed with a friend the exact location of the address because there are around 4 to 5 Royal Orchids. Remember the last tourism vlog I went to Royal Orchid. I gave a review that the food was bad, but this particular Royal Orchid I've been before already, like some 2 years back. That time I've attended an event there. And it was good, food was good, ambience was good. It's a 4-star range property. That was good. That was cool. So no more vlogging. Already late. So I'll be rushing. I already missed a turn while vlogging. Shit, man. This happens, So that's what I'll be heading fatafat. I'll have to pick one of my friend, and then I'll be reaching the venue. Let's see you there. Yeah, so this is what my office location located at the right side, Tech Park, and the area is Domlur. A little bit further if you go, they have selected the venue, smartly, which is near to office and easily commutable. The right side you can see an arch. Is a Hotel Royal Orchard or Orchid. I will be heading to a bit aage because I've committed to pick a friend. Straight, come straight. No, you might have taken left na. 12th main I'm in. Hatti Kapi in HDFC Bank. Okay. Now I'm at this Indiranagar 12th main and I see the TikTokers or the new trendy reelers spending their time outside a boutique. You should really have some real ass balls to do that in public. She's been doing that like some 1,000 take again and again, like, but confidence. That's what you need in life. Then you don't have to give a fuck to anybody else. It's been 15 minutes I've been, not even 15 minutes, from 20 minutes I've been. Finally the man is here, searching for a place to park. Well, this is the entrance if you are coming from this side. I mean the Domlur side.
Came to Holi party once over here.
It's the GoPro. Finally, both are heading. Whoa, look at this. Basically, as you all know, I was late, so I couldn't vlog anything when I came. But now, so everyone's headed for the lunch. Oh,
हंसदे चेहरिਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
Yeah, back to camera. So everyone's headed for the lunch. So I thought I'll vlog, show you a glimpse on what's happening here. So basically, it's a MICE event conducted to all the employees of the company. Usually, I've conducted some events like this in my previous companies, and I know how exactly these are conducted. First, selecting a venue. So it basically like. Same shadi, marriage. The first thing, number of people attending, and then budget. Based on that, you're gonna select the venue, seating arrangement. So this seating arrangement is called as cluster. You'll have a round table, and around 6 to 10 people can be fit based on the table size and all. And this is one type of seating you'll have. For example, if there are like more people, you'll have to accommodate everybody here. Then there's going to be a theater style seating arrangement where there won't be any tables, but only rows and columns wise there will be continuous chairs. And also dais, of course, we all know from childhood in schools and all the same thing. Control room where you will have these things, audio and video stuff. And then another unit, table for the event coordinators, like coordinating the whole agenda of the event. Post lunch we'll have some more awards, company related awards. So in the first half it was all entertainment, talent shows. People have talents. I know if there was a BGMI or PUBG game tournament, we would have participated with that bugger who's sitting there. He's hungry, he's gonna beat the shit out of me. I'll go have food and then I'll be back. So we had our lunch and came to this bar. What's this bar called? Jeff's.
Oh, okay, Jeff.
Yeah, so this is Jeff's bar, which is located in the property. So we came to pick some soft drinks which are not included in the buffet, but we thought of having it. 195. We'll get 2 liters, I would say. Fine, we'll take 2. Bro, you know what? Once I paid $500 to that. Yeah.
I never paid that. I paid for water.
No, wait, that was in
JW.
Taj somewhere, huh? Post lunch event. We're playing Tambola. Of course, we are late for the game too, so we didn't get any tickets to play.
1919. Guys, before I sign
Do one more?
off,
finally done with the event. Group picture session just happened. You know how long it takes, you know, to keep everyone balanced in the frame. And then there are finally settling the bill for the venue. Always remember that when you are booking the venue, there is only advance which is paid, and the rest of the money which there should be just exactly post event will be the bills and all will be cleared. I got this simple idea. Why don't ask people what are their favorite destinations? Let's see if somebody are free and open to talk about it in front of camera. Sure, we found one person. He's Ravi Shetty. Here he's Eddie, HR director.
हमारा इंटरव्यू हो रहा है यहाँ पे तू भी आ जाओ
So what's your favorite destination in India?
It's Goa. Always
Goa.
It's Goa.
So why?
I prefer it's a beach destination more. It's my son's favorite destination, and he's got this affinity for water and beaches.
Definitely Munnar down south. I've been there more than once.
Favorite destination abroad, I mean not from India.
France and Vatican, and I would love to go back to France again. Beautiful country.
International destination would be the city of Prague in Czech Republic.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Cancun.
Okay, Mexican. Coca.
¿Cómo estás?
Thanks a lot.
Oh,
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thanks for answering.
I really want a bigger one.
Yeah.
Dare you?
What's your favorite destination, bro?
My favorite
Not Goa,
destination.
other than Goa.
Definitely not Goa. It's actually Paris.
Okay.
Actually,
No, in
it's most
India, brah.
romantic. But then, okay, in India, Ooty.
Paris and Ooty.
Paris and Ooty actually.
ठीक है.
Romantic destinations. Yeah, boy.
So also let me know somebody's favorite. I mean, if you have some favorite destinations, please do comment in that and also
And do
give us
follow.
a reason why it is your favorite. Goa, mine is simple. Everybody knows that I go to Goa every year.
Goa every
Goa
time.
year.
Every time.
Started my
I'm
vlogs
going in
with Goa.
another week.
Yeah, he's going to Goa in another week. So done with the event, and amazing garden we have, and there's a restaurant too here, and this is the restaurant. Here, let me put my mask on, and some outdoor games. Oh, some art work is going on actually. Restrooms, and this is our bar. We are the last ones to vacate the venue, but I forgot to unlock this. Basically, you know, I'll do everything in front of camera, unboxing. That's what we are known for, YouTubers. We just want content, but he wants to see what's inside. That is the reason why I'm doing it here.
Yep. I hope it's something like
Something useful.
book or something.
This wrap is useful. I'm going to use it again. Next weekend, I'm going to wedding, bro.
I hope it's not a diary. I hope it's not a freaking diary.
So there is this box with the company logo. I think
Okay.
it's a travel pouch or something. It's nice packing actually.
I think it's a wallet or something.
Yeah.
It's a diary.
Not diary,
Oh.
it's a travel
Open
pouch or something where I can put my passport.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, it's leather one.
It's nice.
Good. The thing is that give me some tickets, na bhaiya. Iske saath some flight tickets and all. I'll use it. Without that,
no
what
trips
I
at all
will
right
do.
now. Oh,
That's what. Fine. Better than
that's
nothing.
nice.
Actually, we hesitated to take those tickets. We are sitting around there.
Correct,
We didn't take
because
the
we
ticket.
didn't know.
And then we felt, okay, let's give it a try. And already like 20 numbers were already taken. Luckily, I won. Okay, chalo, let's get. I think I'm going to end vlog. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment some reach. We need some good reach. And I started English vlogging recently. So don't mind if I have some grammatical mistake. It happens because I'm not drunk. If I'm drunk, I will definitely speak fluently and good. Back to home, 4:35 I started. I dropped Ryan. It's almost 5:30, so it took me almost an hour. So traffic sucks. Come on! Hello. Good evening. Hello. Yeah, and one more thing I didn't mention actually, which is actually important. You might have actually observed a lot of people without masks there. I mean, we should take more care, especially for events like this. And also, you might have not observed this actual event was streaming live, and there are a lot of people who joined there virtually, I mean through Zoom link or whatever they used. So yes, there is a COVID protocol we followed, obviously, and that was people who are vaccinated with both the doses are only allowed to attend the event in person. In case if you are done with only one dose, then you will have to carry your RT-PCR test, which is mandatory. So, and our HR department was made sure that this has been followed, and from 3-4 days prior, people have been sent notice. So it's actually high time for us all to get vaccinated. There is this new upgrade version. Today I've been to DMart. They asked me to show my COVID second dose certificate there. I was surprised too. And also, the person who joined with me now to the event, his name is Ryan. Other than him, there is one more musky rapper, Shaul, he was missing. That lazy ass didn't take the test, I mean second dose also, and also no RT-PCR. And he didn't attend the event. He was at home working, where we guys were having fun there. So that's what happened. So I think I made myself here. So make sure you guys are vaccinated as soon as possible, and ask yourself, why am I not getting vaccinated? What is the reason behind it? Do that. If you want to travel,